Yeah, buddy, my world-class shrimp and sausage recipe. All right, we got it fresh out the pack. Gonna open it up. I'm real particular, so I slice my packaging open a certain way. Don't judge me. And now we ready for the sausages. Just get them in the pan, oil them up real good so that it doesn't stick or char. And just throw it straight on. Let it sizzle on one side. Use a pair of tongs, flip them over, same way you would on a grill. Make sure it gets that nice coloring. Alright, I got my serrated edge knife. I love using it for meat. Goes real well against the grain. I like to cut them at an angle so they can be visually appealing. And also, they just taste better that way. Don't ask me why. And another thing, I like to, when I cut with it, I like to move the knife back and forth, not necessarily press down on it. It cuts better that way. All right, we're all chopped up. Now let's move on to the shrimp. Put the lid on it and proceed. All right, cut my bag open. They're pretty frozen, so we're gonna run some hot water on them and melt the ice off of them. Not necessarily try to cook them or steam them, but just melt the ice off so that we can peel them. All right, all the ice is melted off. Nice and easy peel. Peel it off the body, then pull off the tail. Real simple. All right, we got all the shells off. Now we clean up. Ready to go. All right, I got my Zatarain shrimp broil. Very hard to find. My own hot and spicy recipe. You can check that out. Check out my video on that. Then you can also check out my video on my savory recipe. All right, we got a nice good sizzle on the sausage. It's almost well cooked. Then we can throw the shrimp on it and get ready. Put our broil on it. Put our seasonings. My savory seasoning. Delicious. My hot and spicy seasoning. Delicious. And my onion and pepper recipe. You can check out my video on that one also. Normally for each dish, I like to use about 4 scoops. I think 4 scoops is well enough. Yum. This dish is packed with so much flavor. And it can feed multiple people. This one pan right here can feed multiple people. You'd be surprised how long you can stretch this out. It's a great, delicious dish. All right, I mix it in. And I let the heat settle. And get it nice and steamy. Look at them. Look at them. All right, I got my rice ready. Fixing a plate for my son. Get a good scoop. Got my vegetables. Trying to get all the food groups. They don't make food groups anymore. Give me a good scoop of that greatness. Throw it all in. We ready, baby. Let's try it. It's a little hot. Let's take our time. Oh my God. Perfection, baby. Oh yeah.